Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y70, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the hotspot toggle, which looks like it is on the second page for me right over here. And before you tap on it, you want to hold it. This will take us to the settings where you can customize things like the password. Tap on hotspot password, and as you can see, it's just some kind of random gibberish right here. So let's remove this one and set our own. Now it needs to have 8 characters in length, from which point you can set it by tapping on OK. Then we have hotspot name. This is just going to be the name of the Wi-Fi visible on the list. So if you want, you can change it to something else. For instance, like this. Security route, keep the same. And then we have also AP band. Now this option really varies depending on what device you will use to connect. The 5 GHz band is going to be faster and more stable, while the 2.4 is going to be used by a wider array of devices, specifically the older devices. So in general, I would advise you to go with 5 GHz, and if your device just flat out doesn't see any kind of Wi-Fi by the name that is provided right here, that means that it just simply doesn't support it, and all you need to do is just drop it back to 2.4. But if it does, then you're all set and it's going to be better. Now once everything here is set, you can simply leave this and then go back to the toggle and tap on it. And by tapping on it, you will enable it. So that is how you would enable it, and just remember to disable it later on. It does consume a little bit more battery when it is enabled, and if it's not being used, there is no point for it to be enabled. And again, disable it by simply tapping on it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.